Actor Thalapathy Vijay, his last film, Jana Nayagan, has hit a roadblock. It seems like the censor board hasn't cleared it yet. Madras High Court has now reserved its order on the censor certification dispute involving actor-politician Vijay's film, Jana Nayagan, making its proposed January release now unlikely. The film, scheduled for Pongal release, has not yet received certification from the Central Board of Film Certification. According to submissions before the court, the CBFC's examining committee raised objections to the film. The producers agreed to make 27 cuts. However, the dispute now still has escalated to a point where they've refused to release or clear his film 2 days before its release. Despite these changes that the producers have made, the film has not been granted a certificate. It was stated that one member of the examining committee of the certification board has raised objections, following which the film was not referred to a revising committee. The producers also claim that they were not formally informed also about the next stage of the certification process. So they kept their release date as 9th, but now it's not cleared. The film's producers, KVN Productions, approached the Madras High Court arguing that the delay followed a complaint that was not maintainable, as objections raised by the examining committee had already been addressed. The CBFC, represented by Additional Solicitor General ARL Sundaresan, has told the court that the chairperson has the authority to seek a review even after the committee consideration. The board cited concerns including the use of defense emblems in the film and said that expert inputs is required on this. The CBFC has sought 4 weeks now to file a counter affidavit. The High Court questioned the CBFC on why the producers were not informed, why the film was not referred to a revising committee, and whether due process was followed while they were reviewing the film. The court has now reserved the verdict. They are yet to give a verdict. It's likely to come in tomorrow. As of now, Jana Nayagan has not been banned, but it has not been cleared either. And the release date is literally tomorrow, 9th of January. The issue has drawn attention as Vijay is a founder of Tamilaga Vettri Kazhagam, the political party that he's launched. He's going to be actively participating in the upcoming Tamil Nadu elections in barely a few months. And this will indeed be his last film. The film is being promoted as his final release before the full-time political plunge that he will make. The CBFC board now has maintained that certification decisions are based on content and guidelines and not on political considerations at all. The court's decision will determine whether the certification process followed established procedure. And while all that said, you have the Congress targeting the BJP, saying this is deliberately done by the BJP to using the CBFC as a political weapon to target Vijay. Ahead of elections, they're trying to corner him just because of political rivalry. Remember, TVK and Vijay's party has not allied with the BJP in Tamil Nadu. BJP and AIDMK in Tamil Nadu are allies. So the Congress says this is deliberate targeting of the TVK and Vijay because of upcoming Tamil Nadu elections. Now, let me bring in our BJP spokesperson on the panel here, Kalyan Raman, senior leader, BJP Tamil Nadu. We also have Jagadishwaran D, political analyst from Tamil Nadu. Kalyan Raman, the Congress says it's all the BJP's handiwork, that the CBFC censor board is being used as your tool, that you're targeting Vijay because he's not allied with you.
A simple reverse question is that for what?
That TVK has not gotten into an alliance with you.
Okay. To begin with, BJP's alliance got 18.2% votes, whereas the AIDMK got 23.4% vote. Together, it is crossing over 41%. And if you subtract 8%, add 8% votes, roughly 51% of the votes went almost in favor of DMK, but for some nota and other things, it is about 48%, 47, 48%. Okay. Now, with anti-incumbency, the existing alliance of BJP, ADMK, along with PMK, along with others to join, is going to win the election. What is the necessity for the BJP to create any kind of ruckus in the process? We absolutely have no reason. Number two, whatever the DMK had got in the last election, the Vijay faction is going to exactly eat into those votes by and large. Vijay is going to at least take away 15% of the votes of the DMK combination. So given the fact the DMK is going to lose, Vijay is going to chip in to the tune of anything between 15 to 20%. This is what we all presume. Given the situation, the BJP ADMK alliance is going to have a thumping majority in the elections to come. So the BJP has no reason whatsoever. Number two, the logic number two is that neither Vijay nor the production house KVN had made any observation or complaint against BJP. It is only the Congress which is trying to harp upon the issue just to attract a TVK towards them, because they knew that things are not going to go very well with DMK, which offers them just 20 seats as against 25 they contested in the last election. And earlier to that, it was 40, 63, and so on and so forth. They even contested half of the share in the 1980 election. So their number is getting reduced by DMK, given the situation that the DMK is only offering just 20 seats now. They want to expand their purview of contesting more seats. And they hope that the weakened DMK will be in a position to offer them, or in order to have a better negotiation power, they need Vijay at this point of time. So the Congress wants to blame BJP, whereas BJP has nothing to do with the certification. It is more a technical issue. Unfortunately, the producers have gone to before the court of law, so the matter becomes subjudiced in the process. So the court will have its own time frame to deliver a judgment.
Okay,
They have to seek
Jagdishwaran, do you smell
from the
anything
CBFC.
political here?
As simple as that.
It's a simple issue of a film not meeting requirements as per the censor board. Some defense emblems have been used in the film, so they are now getting a third-party committee to review it. But of course, I strongly believe that it is unfair for the CBFC to withhold the film until the last minute and not informing producers in time, so that they could have actually, managed the situation, before it got to this point. Their release date is ideally tomorrow. If they were told, they would have planned better. But they've not been told. UA certificate was given, then it's withheld again, saying, no, we have to review again. Do you sniff a political spin-off here?
Of course, yes. As you rightly put out. See, December 19th was the first date when this film was submitted to CBFC, asking for them to review it. And after that, as you told, there were many cuts were given. And after these cuts were, some scenes could have been muted, some words could have been muted, some political things could have been, all those modifications. After all those modifications, the film was again submitted, and U/A was given by the 5-member committee of CBFC. That is what is told. After this, one member of that committee is producing a complaint. And still, when the KVN Productions went to the court of law, they were not sure who made that complaint and what was the complaint about. Even judges were asking, what was this complaint about, and nothing was told. Only now we are getting information that it could be something to do with the defense emblem. As I rightly put out, if this is an issue, you should have, this film was December 19th. Talking on January 8th. So obviously, somebody wanted to delay it. Somebody wanted to show what their power is. Obviously, Edappadi Palaniswamy, coming to the political point, Edappadi Palaniswamy, NDA, they badly want Vijay to be in their alliance. When in one of his rallies, a TVK flag was shown, Edappadi Palaniswamy was very excited. He said, oh, see, new people are coming to our party. We are going to win. He was jumping up and down. And in Karur Stampede, after the Karur Stampede, even though Vijay went like a he didn't meet the people, he was just running away. Both the BJP and the ADM are the first people to support him continuously. Even inside the Legislative Assembly, Edappadi Palaniswamy was continuously supporting Vijay. Again, Jana Nayagan, till today, he is supporting Vijay. Tamilaga Vettri Kazhagam still supporting Vijay. All the leaders of India, they badly want Vijay in their alliance, and they will do anything to bring him into the alliance. This is just a sample. What actually... the CBI inquiry that is about to happen in January 12th, that is the point where they will make sure Vijay comes into their alliance. Vijay is going to be, I would say, Vijay is going to be grilled for so many hours. He has no other option other than to, that is what the NDA plan is. So this is, we have been seeing this almost in many states, and they badly want Vijay to win this Legislative Assembly elections. And that is what is exactly happening.
Okay. I barely have 10 seconds, Kalyan. What would be your response?
Jagdishwaran must answer that being a person who held the meeting is not Vijay to be called for an inquiry or not. Is it logical? Sir. Is it natural? It is in line with fair justice? He is to be called. So he's being
Of course,
called.
yes.
What is the
No,
problem?
but what I'm saying is,
See,
what,
you
what
should
I'm
not
saying is that
attribute so
it's
many
not just,
things.
it's
You
not,
should not
just going to
attribute
be an
so many
inquiry.
things to
It
him.
doesn't just stop with the inquiry. The NDA people will make sure that Vijay comes into the alliance. That is
That
what
is
at
your
the end of the day-
assumption. Should I
at the
answer
end
to
of
your
the day, what is
assumptions and imagination?
I mean,
All right.
obviously, after the CBI inquiry, we'll come to know about this.
So, assumptions are that he's being targeted. Reality is his film is stalled.
Yes.
Now, we don't know why it's
Yeah,
stalled.
they went to
Censor
court.
board has not given
Don't conveniently
clarity.
forget that they went to court.
Right. Okay. So, we're
It is the
hoping that
producer
the
who
court
went to
gives him
court,
relief.
not the
There's an
government.
in the next 24 hours, we'll know.
And
Madras
neither-
High Court is due to
neither
hear this
Vijay
matter
nor-
tomorrow.
Neither Vijay nor the producer had complained against BJP or the incumbent government in the center.